AmeriPlan, a Better Business Bureau A+ rated discount medical plan organization, has the largest network of dental and healthcare providers in the nation and has saved its members more than $1 billion since its founding in 1992. Our plans are not insurance, but are saving member families hundreds or even thousands of dollars each and every year for those utilizing our providers and services. A featured program is AmeriPlan Deluxe Plus, which is only $39.95 per month for an entire household. It provides our members with fantastic savings on the most valuable, essential, and widely used healthcare services, like telemedicine. The experts tell us that 80% of doctor visits at the doctor's office are totally unnecessary. We have doctors on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, by phone, toll-free, or computer. Informational consultations are available at no charge to our members, and a detailed diagnostic consultation with a prescription where the necessary fee is only $25. What a convenience and savings! It really is like having a doctor in the family. Dental care. It is a fact that most diseases are caused by not properly taking care of your teeth and gums. AmeriPlan members have unlimited access to more than 85,000 dentists. All specialties are included, and there are savings up to 80% on all procedures. All ongoing conditions are accepted, and there is no limits on the number of visits or services. In addition, there are no age restrictions. Vision care. With the AmeriPlan Vision Care program, our members can save up to 60% on glasses, exams, contacts, and more than 12,000 optical providers nationwide. They include all national chains such as Pearl Vision, Walmart, LensCrafters, and Target, along with thousands of local optical providers. Prescription drugs is one of the most widely used benefits by our members. You can save up to 85% at more than 56,000 pharmacies, including all national chains such as Walgreens, Walmart, CVS, and Rite Aid, along with thousands of regional and local pharmacies. Chiropractic care. Get a free initial consultation and then save up to 50% at more than 7,500 participating doctors. Hospital and medical bill reduction negotiation. With medical and hospital bills at an all-time high, our negotiators work on behalf of our members to save them thousands and thousands of dollars. Ancillary Services. Doctors are inclined to order more diagnostic procedures for accurate diagnosis. Our members save up to 80% on labs, CAT scans, MRIs, X-rays, and other ancillary services. Now, this is very important. If you or your family members are uninsured or have a high deductible, this is the perfect plan for you and your family. You may join one of AmeriPlan's cost-saving healthcare programs individually or on a family basis. Either way, it is smart, it is affordable, and it works.